There was a time in my life when I experienced something truly frightening: sleep paralysis. One night, I woke up but couldn't move single part of my body. I couldn't speak, and I felt a heavy pressure on my chest. It was as if I was trapped between sleep and wakefulness, completely helpless. In that moment, I thought maybe God was angry with me. And deep down, I knew why I felt that way. Before this happened, I had forgotten about God. I hadn't prayed for months, I hadn't thanked Him for anything, and I had been living my days believing I could handle everything on my own. I had drifted so far from His presence that I didn't even realize how empty my heart had become. After that night, I was terrified. For several days, I had been unable to sleep, fearing that it would happen again. I had been living in anxiety and guilt, constantly thinking that I was being punished for forgetting God. But in those sleepless nights, I began to reflect. I realized that if I continue living like that, without peace, without prayer, I would destroy myself. What I was truly longing for wasn't just rest, but God's peace. So, I decided to start small. I began by saying thank you every morning when I wake up. I pray before eating. At first, it felt strange because I hadn't done that in a long time, but slowly those small acts began to heal something inside me. I noticed that my nights become calmer. I could finally sleep peacefully again. Over time, I realized that God had never left me. It was I who had turned away, and yet He patiently waited for me to return. During that season, I remember a verse from James 4:8. Draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. That verse spoke deeply to me. I understood that when I took even the smallest step toward Him, He was already there, reaching out with love and forgiveness. As I continued to rebuild my relationship with God, I started joining my youth group OMK, Orang Muda Katolik Community. Being with other young Catholic helped me grow stronger in faith. Later, I also joined the church theater ministry where we share God's message through performance and creativity. Through those community, I learned that faith isn't meant to be lived alone. I discovered joy in serving, praying, and growing together with others. My relationship with God became deeper and more alive. Looking back, I see how much I've changed. The fear that once controlled me has turned into faith. The guilt that once burdened me has turned into gratitude. Through this journey, I discovered that God had been working silently in my life even when I couldn't see it. He used my fear to remind me of His presence. He used my weakness to bring me closer to His strength. Now, I live differently. I wake up each day with gratitude. I pray, I serve, and I trust. I'm not perfect, but I'm growing, and that's what matters. So, if there's one truth I want others to remember from my story, it's this: God never leaves us, even when we forget Him. He is patient, loving, and always ready to welcome us home. And when we return to Him, He gives us peace, the kind of peace that no fear, no darkness, and no paralysis can ever take away.